Finding the perfect buyer for your listing can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. With countless options available, it's crucial to make an unforgettable first impression. Did you know? The first 10 days of your listing is the most important time. You need to reach as many interested parties as possible during this critical window. This period is when your listing is fresh, matching your listing to all the potential buyers in the MLS who are buying in your price range, and catching the eye of people looking online. Introducing Virtual Realty Marketing. We're here to revolutionize the selling experience. We harness all of the available cutting-edge technology, utilizing drones and Matterport interactive tours and high-quality cameras. The combination of high-quality photos, tours, and social media videos allow buyers to explore your home from anywhere. Our compelling social media videos attract and captivate prospective buyers. This allows you to show your seller that you are proactively working to sell their listing. We will provide activity reports for your social media campaigns to give them valuable information. Our service will prove to them why you are earning your full listing commission. Elevate your selling experience. Contact us today.